Enonic XP8 is finally here, marking the platform's largest release in 8 years. With a modernized runtime and redesigned core concepts, let's explore the key updates. The foundation moves to a refreshed stack, including Java 25, improving performance, security, and stability. A new admin UI based on the Enonic design system offers a faster, more responsive experience, with Content Studio also receiving a visual refresh. One of the biggest changes for developers is the new Universal API. The Universal API makes web APIs first-class citizens, allowing developers to build and expose APIs consistently via the new /API endpoint or custom domains. XP8 replaces XML with YAML for all schemas. Files are now more concise and readable, featuring a new namespace system for better identity management. Permissions have been simplified as well. Inheritance is replaced by explicit access control list per node, which now take effect across branches immediately. There are plenty of changes inside the developer libraries too. They are leaner. The content and node libraries now use streamlined functions like move, sort, and patch for more predictable operations. Admin extensions have also received a rethink. The new Extensions API replaces the Widget API, using web components to provide better isolation and more flexibility for admin tools. XP8 also brings some useful capabilities for building and operating modern applications. We now feature OpenMetrics support for monitoring, as well as server-sent events for real-time client updates without WebSockets. Security is bolstered with host-specific authentication and PBKDF2 hashing, alongside stricter validation for identities and content IDs. Backups and data transfers become more flexible as well. Repositories can, for instance, be exported or dumped independently directly into zip archives. And then there are the smaller quality of life improvements, including a simpler /admin URL, uppercase HTTP functions, and dev mode enabled by default in the Enonic SDK. Finally, terminology has shifted. Controllers are now HTTP functions, widgets are admin extensions, and CMS resources move to a new /CMS folder. Note that XP8 contains breaking changes, so consult the documentation before migrating existing projects. On that note, we have made an AI agentic skill that greatly simplifies the upgrade to XP8. This means you don't have to read through the entire upgrade notes and can let the skill do the upgrade. All in all, XP8 is a modernization of the platform itself, a new runtime, a cleaner API model, simpler schemas and permissions, a refreshed user interface, and a more consistent developer experience. Take care and happy coding!